Welcome to the Spicy Apron, the home of food, fun, and fitness in your 50s and beyond. And I'm talking easy, healthy food, sustainable, enjoyable fitness, and a life full of fun and adventure. And why do I focus on these things? Because these are the tools, the building blocks, the things we all need to shine in our 50s and beyond. I believe in quality of life, not necessarily quantity, although those are not mutually exclusive. Yes, it can get better from here. And that is what the Spicy Apron is all about. So join me on this journey as we transform our 50s, our 60s, our 70s, and just keep going into the best years of our lives through food, fitness, and fun. I invite you to subscribe for more and also hit that notification bell. That way you will be alerted every time a new video comes out. Welcome to the Spicy Apron.